Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CFA Level 1. This exam requires a structured approach, and with a clear plan, you can achieve success. First, familiarize yourself with the 10 subject areas of the curriculum. Aim to dedicate around 300 hours to your studies. This translates to roughly 25 hours each week over a 3-month period, which is a manageable commitment for most candidates. Let's break down how to make the most of your preparation time. A strategic study plan is crucial for efficient learning. Begin by segmenting the extensive curriculum into smaller, digestible parts. Prioritize topics that carry higher exam weight, such as quantitative methods and financial reporting and analysis, which together can account for up to 35% of the exam. Ensure you build in consistent review periods, perhaps one day each week, to reinforce your understanding and retention of key concepts. To maximize your study efficiency, engage with the material actively. Don't just passively read. Take brief, clear notes that you can easily revisit. After completing each reading, immediately tackle practice questions to test your understanding and identify any weak areas. A powerful technique is to explain complex concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else. This process significantly deepens your comprehension and improves your ability to recall information during the exam. As the exam approaches, practice becomes paramount. Aim to complete a minimum of 2 full-length mock exams, simulating actual test conditions. This helps build stamina and manage your time effectively. Critically analyze your performance on these mocks to identify specific topics where you need more work. In the final 2 to 3 weeks, dedicate significant time to reviewing all essential formulas, definitions, and ethical standards. This comprehensive review will boost your confidence for exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.